To get started, we'll need to remove the blade from the lawnmower. To do that, I'll tip the lawnmower onto its side. Whenever you tip your mower onto its side, you want to make sure that you tip it so that the carburetor is up. If you tip it with the carburetor down, the oil from the crankcase will drain through the carburetor, and then you'll need to clean your carburetor. Now we can go ahead and remove the blade. I like to use a piece of 2x4 to prevent the blade from spinning while I remove the blade bolt. With the bolt removed, now I can remove the blade support and the blade itself. Now I'll reinstall the blade and the blade support and secure it with the blade bolt.